In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create in Magnific AI Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what each option means, and how to get reliable results without any guesswork. Start by opening Magnific AI on your phone. From the home screen, look to the bottom navigation and tap AI Suite. This is your hub for creation tools. You'll see options like video, image, and audio. Each tab is tailored to a different kind of project, but the overall flow is similar. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on image. Tap image, then tap generate images to open the creation panel. This is where your idea becomes a prompt. You can type your own prompt, roll with a random prompt if you want inspiration, or pick from ready-made templates to get a structured starting point. Keep prompts clear and specific. Describe the subject, style, lighting, mood, and any defining details. Avoid including private or sensitive information in your text. If you have visuals you want the model to consider, tap to add refs. Reference images help guide style, composition, or character consistency. Choose images you have permission to use and make sure they're clear and relevant to what you want. Next, tap the settings icon. Here you can choose the mode, how many results you want, and the aspect ratio. Mode typically balances quality and speed, so pick what matches your deadline and detail needs. Number of results controls how many variations are generated at once. More variations can surface better options but may take longer. Aspect ratio sets the frame. Use common ratios like square for profiles or vertical for mobile-first visuals. When everything looks good, tap Generate. If it seems to load for a while, don't worry. You can navigate back, tap Work at the bottom, and view your generated images there as they finish processing. The work area centralizes what you made so you can review and compare outcomes side by side. That's the full flow. Open Magnific AI, head to AI Suite, choose image, craft your prompt, add refs if needed, adjust settings, and generate. Then check your results and work.